welcome back to the channel, folks. I'm Blockchain Bill, and this is your weekly crypto update. As you can see, I am not in the studio today. I didn't have time to get it all set up. I've got a lot going on. Got to meet with the tax guy today. Got to pay my taxes, pay those crypto taxes. You guys need to pay your crypto taxes too. Any gains you make, pay your taxes. You don't want Uncle Sammy coming knocking on your door. Having said that, let's get started with this week's update. Bitcoin reached an all-time high on Tuesday when it rose above the $69,000 mark, and then it took a sharp 10% decline, but by the weekend it was back up trading over $70,000, and today it's currently trading at around $72,000. Asia accounted for about 70% of the volume traded in Bitcoin last week, and Bitcoin ETFs also continue to drive the price as well, with BlackRock and Fidelity both putting up impressive numbers. Ethereum broke $4,000 for the first time in 2 years, and the spot ETF is probably help fueling that price increase. Now, the Securities Exchange Commission did delay the Ethereum spot ETF for public comments, which means summer is now the soonest possible time that we're going to see a Ethereum ETF. Boy, that is just tough to say. Ethereum ETF. Ethereum ETF. Meme coins are leading the overall crypto market in returns, and Shiba Inu led the way last week with a market cap of over $25 billion. Now, most meme coins in the top 20 doubled in value last week. Meme coins, they are a hot commodity right now. Tesla may be buying more Bitcoin. It's been reported that a Tesla wallet has, and let me look at this real quick, 11,509 Bitcoin in it, and that is 1,800 more Bitcoin than was reported in its last earnings report. So the speculation is that Tesla is buying more Bitcoin, but there is some speculation that it's also a correction for an accounting error. Time will tell, but Tesla may be buying more Bitcoin. And here's something I thought you might find interesting. Did you know that the current crypto market cap is larger than Canada's gross domestic product? Canada's gross domestic product this past year is 1.9 trillion, and the current crypto market cap is 2.3 trillion. Let that sink in. Crypto's market cap is expected to grow to over 8 trillion in the next year and a half, which means Canada isn't going to be the only country whose gross domestic product is smaller than the crypto market cap. So for all of you who have a friend or family member who tells you crypto is worthless, give them that piece of information. Now, folks, I had two other very minor stories I was going to share with you, but instead I thought I would give you some survival tips for this crypto market. I just feel at this point it's probably a little more important than the stories that I was going to share with you. So let's get started. Number one, buy, hold, and chill. Pick a few coins that you feel are going to do well during this cycle, buy them, hold them, put them in cold storage, take them off the exchange so they're completely safe, and then sit back and relax for about the next year to 18 months. That's when you're going to cash those out for some maximum profits. Your life will be so much simpler if you'll just buy now, hold, and chill out. Number two, stop waiting for lower entries. That time has passed. Accumulation occurred about a year ago. So if you are looking for a better price at this point, you're not going to get it. There may be dips along the way, and there will be dips along the way, but there's a really good possibility those dips don't even touch the point at where we're at now. So if you're not in the market or you got some money sitting on the side hoping for that lower entry point, don't do it. Get in the market now. Time is of the essence. Number three, stay focused. In this market, things are going to change and new opportunities will present themselves. So even if you're adhering to my first tip, which was buy, hold, and chill, staying focused and keeping up on things are going to give you some opportunities to make some extra money on top of that. There may be a 30, 40, or even 50% correction in the market, during this bull run, and having a little dry powder on the side is not a bad idea. Number 4, stay away from FOMO. Anytime that everybody is talking about something, it's already too late to get in it. When your grandmother comes to you and asks you about Pepe coin, should she invest in Pepe coin? Pepe coin, only dumb money's coming in at that point. Smart money is exiting. Stay away from FOMO. And number 5, take profits on the way up. We don't know what this market's going to do. There's speculation that it's going to be a regular cycle and it'll end in the fall of 2025. There is also speculation, because this market started sooner, that it's going to end sooner. And there's even more speculation that this, because of all the institutional buying into Bitcoin right now, that it's going to extend this into a super cycle. The gist of this is we don't know when this is going to end, so take profits when you have them. One strategy you could use is, after you double your initial investment, take that initial investment out, and then it really doesn't matter what the market's going to do. Everything after that is gravy whenever you cash it out. Folks, I am working on 3 additional educational videos. I hope to be filming those this week and have them edited and ready for you to see within the next week and a half. I've got some really nice ones you're going to want to check out. And I also have one that's going to be pretty funny. You are not going to want to miss it. So stay tuned and keep an eye out for those. As always, stay curious, be kind, rewind.